Today I'm making delicious potato salad recipe. Hello everyone, most welcome back again to this channel. I hope you all are doing so well. Today, as I said, I'm making a delicious potato salad. To begin with this recipe, I have washed these potatoes, peeled it very nicely, and I'm going to cut it to my preferred sizes. Feel free to cut it any way you want it. Next, I'm going to get a clean pot and add in my water, add my chopped potatoes in it and cook it for at least 2 to 3 minutes on a medium heat. I will be cooking this alongside with some 2 eggs and a pinch of salt to taste. Whilst we are cooking our potatoes, I will go ahead and prep some vegetables. So this is my scallions or my spring onions. And also I'll prep some carrots, green bell peppers and onions. Next, I will be adding in 1 teaspoon of salt and also half tablespoon of vinegar. You can use lemon juice if you want. To that, I'll add in some mayonnaise. I have the recipe on my channel, so I'll leave the link in the description box for you to check it out. I'll stir until everything is nice and well combined and set it aside. Next, I'm going to check on my potatoes and it's doing very well. This is after 5 minutes of boiling it, and I will set it aside, let it cool for at least 2 minutes before I will add it to the vegetables. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and be part of this foodie channel. And thank you so much to my returning subscribers for coming back as always. Next, I'm going to add in my boiled eggs and mash it beautifully before I'll add in my boiled potatoes. Next, I'm going to add in my boiled potatoes and I'm going to stir this until everything is nice and well combined. Technically, I'm going to put this in my refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or at most 1 hour before I'll serve it. But trust me, I really enjoyed it without being in the refrigerator, so you can do so as well. This recipe is a must-have, so please try this recipe. And please, your comments are always welcome on this channel. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Bye bye and stay blessed.